Okay, so here's another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question on the mechanics topic. If you want to choose a different question, hit that information card up there. If you want to try the question yourself, I suggest you pause the video now. If you've got the answer C, well done. Okay, so a golf ball has a mass of 46 grams and is initially stationary. The diagram shows the variation with time of the force acting on the golf ball as it is hit with the golf club. What is an estimate, big word here, estimate of the kinetic energy of the golf ball immediately after it is hit? Okay, so this force times time, or force and time, force times time, if you look on your data sheets, is a thing called impulse. And you're given that the impulse is equal to the force multiplied by the change in time, and that is equal to the change in momentum, mass times velocity. So I can find this change in velocity, or this impulse, by finding the area under that line. Notice it says estimate, so I'm estimating that to be a nice simple triangle. So I know the area of a triangle is equal to a half times its base times its height. Now we're going to try and do this a little bit quickly, or you would in the exam be trying to do it quickly. You might notice we've got the force in kilonewtons, which is 10 to the 3, and the time in milliseconds, which is 10 to the minus 3. So that kilo and that milli will cancel out. So I could just use the values that are given here. So a half times, well, the base is 16, the height is 0.6, so I've got an area equal to 5, and that's the units of momentum are kilogram meters per second. So knowing that that's the change in momentum, and knowing that momentum, which has the symbol P, is equal to mass times velocity, I can find that change in velocity. The momentum is 5. The mass, well, again, we're after an estimate, is 46 grams, which is approximately 0.05 kilograms, which is 100 meters per second. Okay, now we want to find the change in kinetic energy. So we know kinetic energy is a half times mass times velocity squared. Let's put some numbers in. Half times, again, I'm going to use 0.05 kilograms for the mass of this object, multiplied by 100 meters per second squared, and we're going to get a change in kinetic energy, or a final kinetic energy, of 250 joules. Answer C. If you found this video useful, click on that subscribe button please, hit the like button, share with friends, and thank you for watching this video.